Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video, I want to show you how you can easily set up push to talk on Discord. So let's start. First, what you want to do is be on Discord and then just click settings, user settings. Now what you want to do is just click here on voice and video in app settings, and you will find it here, voice settings. First, set up your mic and see it here if it's actually working. This is really important. What you can also do before that is just let's check the mic and how it works, so you can hear yourself. Right now I can hear myself, so that's good. So it's working. Now what I'm going to do is to change the input mode to push to talk. When you do it, you can choose the shortcut. So right now I have it on mouse 4, so it's like the button on my mouse. But I can change to mouse 3 or numpad 1, numpad 9, whatever, or even this one here, like next to the tabulator. And then push to talk really is delay. So okay, you can set it up and you can try it out when some friends are going to listen to you on Discord, and you can set it up with them so they can help you. And this is how you actually set up push to talk on Discord. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe. You know how it goes. So thank you. Have a great day everybody, and goodbye. See ya.